whoever has the buyer also gets the seller. Be useful, be educational, be insightful, be informational. Don't try to do everything at once. Just put it in steps. Begin with things that you're more comfortable. Okay guys, hello, welcome to another video. This is Lillian from Propertising. What a surprise, right? Okay, and today we are going to talk actually about real estate agents, new real estate agents, and their digital journey struggles. So I have this workshop on real leads. It's about managing your real estate leads. And if you're struggling with that, I suggest that you go and check this out. It's a free 35-minute workshop. And within that workshop, I asked several questions from real estate people that joined the workshop, and they have replied with several struggles that they have, and we're going to address some of them today. Let's dive deep into that. So I'm going to read some of the questions. So the main question is, what is your biggest digital journey struggle so far? So I'm going to read the new agents struggles, because most of the participants that have come in the workshop, who by the way are a lot, I mean, thank you very much. We're more than 250 people already. Thank you very much for joining the workshop, guys. And and we've been running this for not a long time, right? Months, something like that, less than a month. It was a summer thing. So it started in the middle of vacation. So not a lot of people jumped on board already, but we have huge participation, and that's great. So I want to focus more on the new real estate agent, because it's not only that you're starting now in this new career of yours, but you also have a lot of things to think about that has to do with marketing and advertising and promoting, and life is tough. So whatever we can do to help those young people go into the industry, hopefully they will represent the real estate the proper way. Okay, so we have, one agent says, I want to learn how to get buyers. Okay, so you need to know the basic principle of real estate marketing. And because I don't want to bore everybody in this video about those, I'm going to link the other video about digital marketing in the description as well with the workshop. And so everybody make sure to check the basic principle of digital marketing. Now, on this specific struggle, what I would do is I would create a landing page, and then I would run Google Ads to bring me leads into that landing page, where I would gather all the information that I wanted for the people that are searching for properties. That would be probably the way that I would go. A lot of people think that social media is the best way to advertise. And yes, you can get a lot of exposure, and it's a little bit cheaper than Google Ads, but Google Ads had the high intent buyers there. I want to get new listings. Okay, so they're struggling with new listings. My principle about listings and sellers is the following. Whoever has the buyer also gets the seller. And it's pretty simple, because you can call the sellers and absolutely beg them for the property, but you will have two problems always. First problem, you're not the only one calling. By the time they have listed their property on a platform and you start calling them, you and another 300 agents are calling as well. So after the fifth call, they're probably going to be disgusted by receiving so many calls by real estate agents, which is frustrating for the seller. And then on the other hand, they don't really believe that you can make any difference. So my ideal way to work is finding the buyer. So again, the landing page Google Ads system will get me all the leads I want. And once I get the leads and I interview them and I get all the information, all the juice out of them and wanting to help them, then I would go around the market searching for their properties that fit their specification. So if I am an agent that calls a seller telling them, hey, you know what? I don't want to list your property. I just want to bring 2 potential buyers. Are you okay with that? Do you want to collaborate with me on that terms? There's no way they're going to say no to you. Absolutely no way. I haven't seen that. You know, they would be crazy to say no to you. Or they're super cocky confident. So yeah, that may happen, but 9 out of 10 they won't refuse. So get the buyer and you will get the seller and you will get the listing eventually. Let's go into some more. Okay, so one says they don't have a digital journey so far. Ooh, and there you want to learn how to leverage social media. Okay, so if you don't have any digital presence, begin with having professional versions of your social media. You don't need more than 2 platforms, probably LinkedIn and something else, if you like TikToks and you're good at them, or if you like Instagram, or if you like Facebook. Doesn't really matter. Maybe YouTube. YouTube is really powerful because it has the search variable in it. Very, very useful. So yeah, you can go around and do the professional version of your social media. And then when you've done that and you walk around your audience, try to create consistent content about what the buyers you want to represent, that you want to work with, are interested about. So be useful, be educational, be insightful, be informational, right? What's the latest trend in your city, or what's the latest legislation? Anything you can have as an information for potential buyers, somebody that's looking and can, run through your content. It's a great start. Then after you've done that, I would definitely suggest some advertising and some boosting on your social media so that you can get a little bit more audience that is related to your niche, to your category. Make sure you represent a specific niche. Okay, don't try to sell everything to everybody. This is gonna get you lost, paper thin, and yeah, you're gonna come out as blunt. So specialize in something. Do you like a specific type of properties that you can greatly represent, that you like absolutely like yourself or love yourself or understand better, and you have like a true passionate interest? If you do that, then great, go with that. Or do you like similar minded people, and of course that can absolutely afford a property? Go with that. Pick a niche, pick a specification, be a specific real estate agent. Don't be a blunt agent that does everything. Don't try to do everything at once. Just put it in steps. Begin with things that you're more comfortable, because again, you're a new agent in a new career, and you're also going to do a lot of new things in the marketing department. And if you're struggling, you can always ask anyone that has been there, done that, either older estate agents, either people in the marketing industry like us. Yeah, we're happily I believe that most of us would happily help a new person starting and giving them advice. I mean, people love giving advice. I love giving advice. I love sharing my mistakes I did in the past so that people would avoid them. I feel so great about that. So yeah, don't be afraid to ask. And okay, guys, so these were some of the questions I got. I got a bunch of, very similar and others as well. So I'm probably going to do another video. The participation goes really well in the workshop. Thank you very much. And I'll see you on the next one. If you have any suggestion about content, if you want to learn something in particular, please write down in the comments and I will gladly make a video about it. So, as I said, I love giving advice. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.